Let's do steps 5, 6, and 7 for Lab 1. The first thing we're going to do is merge and center cells. When you look at the sample that we've provided you, down here you see no lines, no grid lines between these cells right in here, between column C, and clear over to column J. And you also don't see them for column 3 and 4. That means that that whole range of cells have been merged into one to make one cell. So let's go over to our lab, and if you look here, I'm going to go back up here on the instructions, because right here in the instructions it tells you what cells to merge right here. Somehow or another I've gotten my text into the wrong cell. I don't want to retype this. So all I need to do is click on the cell where it is and go to the top of the cell markers here. Let me show you closer. And when this insertion point turns to 4 arrows, hold it down with your left mouse and move to the cell where you want it, and see how it moves moves everything over to the right cell. So now this is C3 through J4. So I've highlighted that range of cells, C3 through J4. And on your alignment group, there is merge and center. If I maximize this screen, you'll see it right here on the Home tab, the alignment group, merge and center. See how it merges all of that area? And now mine looks like the sample. See, I don't have a cell D3 anymore. I've only got one, and it's labeled C3. See here in the label group there. Okay, let's go back here and let's see what's... Now I need to merge and center E5 through H5. Here's E5 through H5 and merge and center. Now the last one that I need to do is E6 through G6, and I'm going to merge and center that one. So now that should look like our sample. And see, if you take a look at it, that is more, the whole information is more centered across the spreadsheet information. Now the next thing that we have is to wrap text. Your instructions say apply wrap text to C3. Right here, C3. And this is also in the alignment group. And it says apply there, but you won't see any effect of it until Lab 2. Well, I want to explain to you a little bit about what wrap text is. When you have too much information in a cell to fit in the size of the cell, and you don't want to make the cell wider, if we apply what is called wrap text, it will make the row taller until all of the information will fit in there. Let me show you what I mean. So if this name and address, if I go up here to the alignment group and I click wrap text, see how it makes line 10 very tall? That's what wrap text is. I don't want to do that to this column, this cell, because we're going to go down here in a few minutes and we're going to angle this to where, and we're going to widen the cell. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to unwrap the text. But I wanted to give you a little bit more explanation other than you'll see it in Lab 4. So that takes care of 6. So you just want to apply it to cell 3. Then the orientation of the labels, and this is C10 through K10. You don't want to do the name and address, and you don't want to do the count. And I'm going to maximize this screen so you can see this. Get back over here where it'll show. Go to your home group, home tab, alignment group, And right here in the orientation on the right hand side, you can make it whatever orientation. See, you can make it, there's 45 degrees. Your instructions say 60. Type 60 into this box right here. Click OK and look at what happens. Now, let's see how that looks according to our sample. So we have it. Okay? So that is 5, 6, and 7.